Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to post multiple photos on Instagram without cropping. Let's get started. Normally, when you tap the plus button, then select multiple photos, Instagram zooms in and crops them, which can be really annoying. To fix this, we'll use a free app on the App Store or Play Store, search for SquareFit Photo Video Editor and install it. Other similar apps will also work if you prefer. Then open the app, then tap the photo option and select your first photo. It will automatically fit into a square without cropping. Adjust if you like, and then tap save in the top right corner. Then repeat this step for all your photos. And then go back to the Instagram, then tap the plus button, then choose select multiple and add your edited photos. And they'll now upload without being cropped or zoomed. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.